Hello, young lords, learners. Good morning to this session. I am going to talk about Sparrows, a beautiful short story by Khwaja Ahmad Abbas. Sparrows is an interesting short story by uh, Khwaja Ahmad Abbas. Khwaja Ahmad Abbas, to put short, K.A. Abbas, was a great novelist, a screenplay writer, director, novelist, journalist in Urdu, Hindi, and English language. He was a great talent of India. This great talent, K.A. Abbas, was born on June 7, 1914 at Panipat in India. K.A. Abbas authored many screenplays, novels. He directed many films and serials. He authored The World is My Village, The 13th Victim, Distant Dream, and much more. He worked as a journalist. He edited the Bombay Chronicle. K. Abbas won many awards. He won National Film Award for Best Feature Film. As a screenwriter, he wrote The Naxalites 1980 and Mr. X 1988 and much more. Now let me talk about the short story Sparrows by K.A. Abbas. There are many stories about the birds and animals which influence mankind very much. The birds, animals, their young ones have deep influence upon men, women, children across the world. Sparrows is a beautiful story which describes the deep impact and influence of sparrows upon Rahim Khan, the protagonist of this short story. Rahim Khan is a young Muslim boy He lives in a village. He is a very strong, energetic, and enthusiastic child. He has two dreams in his childhood. Number one, his dream is to join circus and to do miracle in the circus. His second dream is to marry Radha, a beautiful daughter of a grocer, a Hindu grocer of his village. Now, the family of Rahim Khan was orthodox. His parents are orthodox. They believe in traditions, rituals, old things. So, they ask the parents of Rahim Khan, ask Rahim Khan to carry on his ancestral work, plowing and tilling land and growing crops in the land. He also forbids his son to love and marry Radha, who is a Hindu girl, who is a daughter of a Hindu greengrocer of his village. But there was a deep love between Rahim Khan and Radha, the Hindu girl. But the parents of Rahim Khan prohibit his son from marrying Radha, the Hindu girl. So, being influenced by the dictates and dominance of parents, Rahim Khan begins to do his farming work. He grows crops and paddies, wheats and vegetables in his land like his ancestors. Instead of marrying Radha, the Hindu girl, the daughter of a Hindu greengrocer, he marries a Muslim girl. Now, Rahim Khan lives in his family. He plows and tills his land of the village. He grows unkind and cruel slowly and slowly due to the dominance and dictate of his parents. He goes to an extent of rebuking, chiding and beating his wife. In course of time, Rahim Khan gets two sons. They are Nuru and Bundu. Rahim Khan not only chides his wife, but also chides his children also, his two sons also. When Rahim Khan comes home from his field, he becomes angry with his wife, he becomes angry with his two sons. There is a conflict and fight in the house. The house turns into a battlefield. Rahim Khan is so angry that he does not live happily in his house. One day, he finds that there is a nest behind the roof of his house. In the nest, there are sparrows. The sparrows produce chicks, baby birds. Rahim Khan notices that the parents of the chicks, the word baby, looks after their offspring very well. They feed them, they look after them, they protect them from rain, they protect them from cold, they protect them from heat. One day, Rahim Khan finds that rain water drops upon the nest. Rahim Khan thinks that the birds may be uncomfortable in the nest. They may feel cold. They may be suffering. So Rahim Khan repairs the roof of the house so that the water may not deep into or onto the nest. Now, the fondness of the words upon their young ones creates kindness in Rahim Khan. Rahim Khan begins to think that if birds have so much love and affection for their young ones, why not I? Why not human beings have so much love, affection for their offspring, for the members of the family? A turning point comes in the life of Rahim Khan on seeing the life of the birds, on seeing the life of sparrows there. Now one day, he gets himself closed in his room. There is no noise at all. Before that, his wife goes back to her parents along with her two sons, Nuru and Bundu. They go away from the house of Rahim Khan angrily. When Rahim Khan sees that birds are very kind, very loving, his heart moves. And one day he closes himself into room. His neighbors knocks at the door, but there is no voice, no human sound. People think that Rahim Khan may be mad, but he was very sad and shocked to realize that he was treating cruelly to his wife and children. After they bring their wife and children home, but when his wife comes, he finds that Rahim Khan is no more in the world. He dies from the shock, from the cruel treatment that he meted out to his darling wife and affectionate sons. Thanks.